Donald Trump has described himself as a very stable genius following the publication of a highly critical book that questions his presidential capabilities. Trump tweeted, "Actually, throughout my life, my two greatest assets have been mental stability and being really smart. I went from a very successful businessman to a top TV star to President of the United States on my first try. I think that would qualify as not smart, but genius, and a very stable genius at that." His response comes after the book Fire and Fury Inside the Trump White House has become an instant bestseller in the U.S.